Okay, so today's video is all about nutrition, and what we're talking about is getting more protein into your diet. So today we are at my house doing a cooking, aren't we?
Yeah.
And Phil is the chief chef, so as part of that I've got my special apron to wear.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
I
think it'll really suit you.
Clothes,
To be fair, it's just a picture of him, so, but let's just have a look at that, shall we?
You are kidding me.
There you go, Phil.
Wow.
Oh, look at the belly button.
Wow.
I told you it's just a picture of you.
Yeah, it looks exactly like me, doesn't it?
So yeah, Phil's all ready to do a bit of chefing duties. We've got a simple recipe, which is just what we're calling our anabolic chicken.
Right.
Mel&phil's anabolic chicken recipe, which is full of protein, really easy to cook, really quick. We're going to go through how to do it now, full of veg. We've got all our ingredients there.
Yeah.
Fabulous, all colourful.
Plenty of fruit, well, no fruit, but plenty of vegetables,
Veg.
chicken, bit of olive oil, some seasoning.
Basically, and that is it. And I'm going to crack it in the oven and show you the results.
Right, I'll get.
Should we
get
get on with
sorted
it?
then,
Let's
shall I?
start chopping.
Yeah, chopping onions.
Oh, he's going to cry.
Right.
So, first job, obviously, we feel, is to get all the veg chopped up. So we've got a, what have we got first? Aubergine. Now, aubergine is something I don't cook with very often, so this will be interesting. A lovely courgette. And then a yellow pepper. We've got loads of lovely tomatoes.
Finish off with
A red onion. We're going to do half of that. So, he's going to start chopping. Here he goes. Are there going to be tears?
Yeah, 100%.
Tears. So, yeah, this is great. Phil's actually going on holiday today as well. So, how committed that he's actually coming for us to cook chicken on his day of his holiday. Okay, look at the skills. So, obviously, we've got Phil chopping up the onion.
Let's not chop my fingers off live on camera.
Don't do doing that. We don't have to call in any first aiders. Although we're both first aid trained, so we could probably deal with it, to be honest. Excellent. And then we've got the oven, which is currently preheating. Just here, so that's be ready to go. Look at that, how you've done that. Really impressive.
And it's all family chops already.
Look at that. Well done. So we're now on to the aubergine. So literally just slicing that into little circular slices and then chopping it up. Okay, so Phil's chopping up the courgette now. So now we've got onions chopped, we've got the aubergine chopped, and he's now on to chopping the courgette. And then we've just got tomatoes and the pepper to do, and then we'll show you it all going together in the tray with the chicken.
I did wash all these vegetables first.
You did. I can.
Dirty scrubberoo. These unwashed veggies. And I wash myself sometimes, but. Make a bit of a mess on those floor.
No, no, I've already panned to floor. So we're now on to chopping up those peppers.
Put all that other veg in that bowl.
Yeah, we just put the veg.
Space.
Yeah, we've got so much veg. We've just decanted some of that into a bowl just to keep it to one side. And so far, no chopped up fingers, so that's good.
I need half that. Leaving half that.
Yeah.
Tomatoes.
So onto those tomatoes. So we've got all the veg chopped. What's going to happen now is Phil's going to put the olive oil into some sort of tray that will just basically has the chicken and the veg. Okay. So something that's deep enough. This is very shallow, but you can use something deep, whatever you've got in.
Tablespoon in each.
So a tablespoon onto the tray, tablespoon in with the veggies I've just showed you in chopping, and then we're going to mix them all around so it coats everything. And then we're going to
season them.
Season them. So we've got a salt grinder there, we've got this pepper grinder, and then we've got some you can use like some chili powder or something like that. We're going to put on it just to season it. So here we go. Look at him go with the grinder. Yeah. So today we're doing this recipe with 2 chicken breasts, so obviously it's designed to serve 2 people, but if you want to do it, you could easily get 4 chicken breasts on there and maybe do a bit more veg, and then you could use it for the whole family, and it's just such a quick, easy thing to do. Look at that. Fabulous.
I'm going to put a couple on.
Yeah, put a couple on. And
Can I put another one on?
Can do.
I'm just thinking because I know I'll just use some of that cooked chicken.
Yeah, definitely.
The rest of it can be eaten.
Yeah, the rest of it can go away into the fridge. Okay, look at that. So I've just had to preheat the oven at 190 degrees C. So that's preheated, ready to go. And we're going to probably maybe a bit more seasoning on the top. We're going to put the chili powder on. Really whatever sort of spicy seasoning you've got in, you can chuck on there. It's
just
dead simple.
Get flavour.
Yeah, just hopefully soak into the kitchen and give it a bit of flavour. So, towel. Okay, so it's ready to go in. Look at that. Fabulous.
Make sure you put something on your hands because oven's hot. Not going to burn your hands.
There you go. Fabulous.
Leave it in for 25-30 minutes.
30 minutes will do the job. We'll get the timer on now.
I'll set it on my watch.
Yeah, set a timer on your watch. 30 minutes. And then we'll be back to show you the final result. Okay, we thought we'd give you a bit of a shot of the cooking as it is. How's it looking? Whoa! Oh, look at that. It's fabulous.
Time's up, so let's get it out of the oven, see what it looks like.
Ooh, exciting!
Oh, it's a bit smoky.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's hot. One of his chicken breasts has disappeared because I got a bit peckish. Apologies about that.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
That's the finished product.
Let's have a look at it.
Turn that oven off.
Oh yeah, look at that. Looks really tasty. Right.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright.
So we'll get some of that lovely veg on there. That chicken breast as well. That's it.
Oh, that's great.
All done. Right, okay.
Yeah, so we've done it. We've cooked up, we've finished cooking. Finished goods are there, you saw we plating them up.
Yeah, this is
looks really tasty, yeah, it's looking good.
Macros.
Yeah, macros need to talk about, that's the important bit for you.
Okay, so we talked about we wanted to give you something that's got plenty of protein. Okay, one serving of that has got about 40 grams of protein, obviously it depends on the size of the chicken. 15 grams of fat and about 10 grams of carbohydrates, loaded with veg, so you've got all your micronutrients and your minerals, vitamins. And it comes just under 350 calories, and I
Yeah.
think it's about 330. So it's high in protein, low in carbs, some good healthy fats in there with olive oil, and it's packed full of veg, so loads of vitamins.
Yeah, and if you wanted to add more carbs to it, easily you could put that some rice with that. You know, you
so
could do a
with some
macro
rice,
right easily if you wanted to build up the calories a little, add a bit more carbs in, then that's fine. You can add that in as well. It'll go really well with it. So yeah, very healthy recipe, very easy to cook.
Took
Probably
what?
took what?
About
The oven was
45 minutes.
half an hour,
Yeah.
prep 20 minutes, something like that.
Yeah.
That was it, really easy. So yeah, hope you enjoy it and let us know in the comments if you've tried it. Take a picture and show us that you've all had a go. So we'd love to see if your efforts are as good as the chef we've got here.
Can I take this off now?
You can.